Did you know that even the most carefully drafted will not work if it's not signed properly? A small mistake in the signing process could leave your estate open to disputes or even make your will legally invalid. Hi folks, and welcome to Everything Estate Planning. I'm Jim from Elm Legal Services, and today we're tackling a crucial topic: how to sign your will correctly in England and Wales. Even a small mistake in the signing process could make your will invalid. So whether you're creating a new one or updating an existing will, it's absolutely essential to get it right. Today, we're going to break it down step by step using clear and straightforward language to help you avoid common pitfalls. So let's get started. So why is the signing process so important? Signing your will correctly is absolutely essential because any mistakes can lead to your will being challenged or even declared invalid. Courts take these legal requirements very seriously, so following the correct process helps ensure that your wishes are upheld and your loved ones are cared for as you planned. So let's start with the legal requirements for signing a will. The law requires that your will must be in writing and that you must sign it or acknowledge your signature in the presence of two independent witnesses. Now here are the key points you need to remember. First of all, for a will to be legally valid, it must be in writing. This could be either handwritten or typed, though it's recommended actually that you type your will to ensure clarity and avoid any misinterpretation. Next, as the person making the will, also known as the testator, you must sign and date it yourself. If you're unable to sign, you can actually ask someone else to do it for you, but this must be done in your presence and under your clear instruction. When signing your will, you must have those two independent witnesses present. Now, these witnesses cannot be beneficiaries for your will or married to a beneficiary, as this will forfeit their inheritance, meaning they'll actually receive nothing. Now, finally, both witnesses must either see you sign and date the will or hear you confirm that the signature is yours. After that, they must sign and date the will themselves, confirming that they witnessed your signature or heard your acknowledgement of it. Now that we have a clearer understanding of the legal requirements, let's walk through the step-by-step process of signing and witnessing your will correctly. Step 1. Choose your witnesses carefully. Select two adults who are not named as beneficiaries or married to anyone who is. It's best to choose people who understand the importance of this particular role. Their signature adds credibility to your will. Step 2. Prepare your will in a suitable format. Your will should be printed or written on paper, as digital wills are not yet legally valid in England and Wales. To avoid any misinterpretation due to handwriting legibility, it is recommended that your will is typed and printed. A clear, professionally formatted document ensures that there is no confusion about your particular wishes. Step 3. Arrange a signing session. Plan a time and place where you can sit with your two witnesses. It's best to choose a quiet environment, clear and free from distractions. Step 4. Sign and date the will in front of your witnesses. Place the will on a flat surface with both witnesses present. Sign your name and write the date clearly at the end of the document using ink. Ink is actually required to ensure the signature is permanent and legally valid. If you are directing someone else to sign on your behalf, you must be present and provide clear instructions for them to do so. Step 5. Have your witnesses sign the will. This needs to be done immediately after you sign. Your witnesses must also sign in ink, print their full names and add the date in your presence. This confirms that they witnessed you signing the will or heard you acknowledge your signature. Step 6. Store your will securely. Once signed, keep your will in a safe place, such as with the solicitor or estate planner who prepared it. It's also important to let your executors, the people responsible for carrying out your wishes know where it's stored, so they can easily access it when the time comes. Even small mistakes can have big consequences when it comes to your will. To ensure it remains legally valid and enforceable, be mindful of these common errors and how to avoid them. One of the most common errors is not using the correct number of witnesses. By law, you must have exactly 2 witnesses present when you sign your will. Having only 1 or more than 2 can actually create legal issues and may even render your will invalid. Choosing the wrong witnesses is another common mistake. Witnesses must be independent, meaning they cannot be beneficiaries of your will or married to someone who is. If a witness stands to inherit from your will, their inheritance will be forfeited and they will not receive anything. Failing to date the signatures is another issue that can cause problems. Every signature, including yours and your witnesses, should be clearly dated. This could be crucial if your will is ever contested, as the date helps establish its validity. Finally, ensure that all signatures, dates, and witness details are clearly written and easy to read. Illegible handwriting can cause confusion during probate, leading to delays and added stress. To avoid this, it's always best to type your will whenever possible. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. First, be sure to regularly review your will and estate planning documents. Major life events such as marriage, divorce, having kids, or significant financial changes may require updates to ensure your will remains valid and reflects your current wishes. Feel free to check out our top 5 reasons why it's time to update your will video. A link can be found in the description below. Also, consider seeking professional advice. While this video provides an overview, estate planning can be complex. A legal expert can help you navigate the process with confidence. If you've got any questions about estate planning, Elm Legal Services is here to help. We offer professional, probate and estate planning services tailored to your needs. Feel free actually to reach out to us for guidance or visit our website for more information and resources. Signing your will correctly is one of the most important steps for ensuring your final wishes are legally binding and respected. A properly executed will can save your loved ones from unnecessary legal complications to give you peace of mind knowing that your estate will be handled exactly as you intended. Remember to follow the legal requirements carefully. Choose the right witnesses and avoid common mistakes that could invalidate your will. And if your circumstances change, take the time to review and update your will so it continues to reflect your wishes. Thanks for joining us today. If you've got any questions, thoughts or suggestions, drop them in the comments. We always appreciate your feedback and it helps us create more valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please give that like button a friendly handshake, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, a little planning today can make a big difference tomorrow. Until next time then, stay safe, stay informed and stay tuned.